Good day, viewers at home. You are welcome to my channel. It's your guy, Edwin Stitches. Today, I'll be showing you how to fix zipper on your top. How to fix zipper on your top. So, if you are new to this channel, if at the end of the day this video add value to you, don't forget to subscribe and then don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be getting a new update. And then if you are returning, don't forget to like and share. And then don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section how you feel about this tutorial, if it is truly helpful. Thank you so much. I'll be expecting your feedback in the comment section. So let's go to the business now. The top has already been cut, so it has been the interfacing has been gone to it. So without wasting much of our time, so I'll be using this zipper on it. I'll be using this zipper. So you will need could be stay, paper stay, or cloth stay. So or hair stay. So depending on the size, you'll be needing how lengthy you want your opening of the zipper to be. So here I'll be using 11. So what I cut here, I have 12.5, or if you like, you can cut 12. Just make sure that you have little allowance. So you are going to gum it to your fabric. It could be different fabric or the same fabric. So just make sure that it is a matching fabric. So I'll be gumming it to this. While doing that, I'll make sure that I had hemming gum. Make sure you had hemming gum because all these things, they don't have a good gum any longer. So you make sure you had the hemming gum. So if you like, you can fold them. You can add little allowance for folding to fold in, or you make sure you use weaving. You weave it. So I will make sure I pick the center, fold it, and pick the center. Then the next thing is just to weave it. Then make sure that you pick the center here too. Iron this one and pick the center, so you can see I already have my center here. So wherever you want your this thing to stay, at that point where I said I want to use 11, so you can just mark it out 11. At this point, make sure you put this. You put gum stay at that point. Sorry, hemming gum, and then add gum stay. So the next thing is just to go to the machine and sew this. So you are welcome back to the sewing machine. So here, let's see how it goes now. So for convenience sake, I've marked out the area where I'm going to sew. It is going to be quarter here, point one here, and point one at the other side. Because if you look at my zipper, the size of the zipper I'm using, it depends on the type of zipper you are using. If it is wider than this, then you base it on that. So now, what I have here, everything is not more than half inch, a quarter inch rather. It is not more than a quarter. So I make sure I put point one at this side and point one at this side so that the zipper will be very close. While at the end of the day, when I sew it, the zipper will not be showing. So you can mark it out, and if you know that you can sew it without marking it, there is no problem about that. But to have perfect results, I prefer to mark it out that way. So I'll make sure I place the center here, the middle. Make sure that the tally like that, and then just sew this thing. See that to sew now, it will not give me any problem because it has been marked. It has been marked. Then you cut it out. at the center. So you leave like half inch. You leave like half inch or zero point 0.3. Then you cut it in a triangular form. Notch it. Don't let it cut the thread. You can see this tongue. See the tongue? So now let's now go to the table, iron it, and then add the zipper. I'm very sorry. While taking this video, I just discovered that this area was not captured in the video. So I have to quickly make a very short one so that the whole video will be complete. Sorry for that. So here we have the continuation of the video. You are going to open this. You iron this place. Then iron the other side too. Then you flip it to the other side and turn this. So you turn this. Then iron it. So after you must have achieved this, the next thing is now to put the zipper. So when you want to put the zipper, you make sure you cut your hemming gum, the exact size of this length. Then you make sure that you cut it into 2 or 3 pieces so that it will not be wider than this, the exact size of this head. Then if you like, you can do the two at a time, or you can do it separately. Put your gum here, and we put it on the other side. Then at that point, you make sure you place this on it. So make sure you set it very well. Then iron it or gum it. Always get notified. So the next thing is now to go back to the sewing machine and continue. So the video continues like that. Thank you so much for your understanding. So if you want to sew now, you can sew from here. Then you open up this, you sew this tongue, and then you continue your sewing. So if you don't want the sewing to be showing outside, so that is how you achieve it. Thank you so much. So if you want to sew from inside, you can use your this zipper for convenience. So we are going to use our invisible zipper, foot rather, to do it from inside. If we are sewing from inside, we use that one to sew here, so that we have perfect results. So we are going to use this. So here, this tongue, we just sew it gently. But if you like, you can top stitch if you want to do that one. But I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. So we are going to demand ironing table. So we are going to use hemming gum. You gum this one, and then you are done. So there are still other methods you can use. where this zipper will not be showing. So instead of this one here, that one can cover your zipper. So depends on the, so probably in the next video I'll be showing you how to do that one where your zipper will not be showing like this. So it will just be inside, and then this one will cover it up. But this one is this method is faster, and then you still have better results. So um what you are going to do now is just to apply a gum here. It is optional anyway. It is optional. Here is the final finishing. You can see how lovely, neat it is.